Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I'm in front of a Goodwill, and if you've been here for a while, you know what that means. It's time for Thrift with Me Thursday, guys. I haven't been thrifting since February, maybe March. But I've got my mask, I've got all my hand sanitizer, all my stuff. So let's go in and do some thrifting. Okay, guys. The first things I found are a couple of tureens, I think they're called. And they're really pretty. I love the blue on them, but I also love the idea of using these as planters. And I'll show you some pictures, but first let me show you these pretty vessels. Okay, so there's two of them. I love the color, the muted color blue on this one. This one does have a crack, but then there's this one. I can't find the price on this one. This one's $8.99, so I imagine that they're similar. But I love the idea of removing the top and actually using this as a planter. I've seen some really beautiful examples that I'll find for you with just pretty trailing plants that come out of here. And of course, they're just beautiful standing on their own. The next thing I found is this little set of decanters for $9.99. There's two of them. They're glass. But I love these for a bar. I'll show you my vintage bar setup where I have a couple of these that we actually use for bourbon, you know, whiskey, various things. You could also use these for a bubble bath, which would be really cute. I might just take them out of this holder just because, I don't know, it looks a little too new for me. Or you could take some rub and buff and make that kind of a brass or gold color. Okay, I found this little canister. It's $4.99. First of all, cute. The same. I don't really like the chalk on it. What I would do is I would peel this off, run this through the wash, and then I have a couple of these canisters, and you use them in the pantry. You can stick them with flour. I've seen people use them in laundry rooms to fill with their soap capsules. So it's a good price on these. Super cute. Alright guys, you know how I love my brass duck bookends. I've found two sets before, and I just found another set for $9.99. These little guys, I just think they're so cute. They're so just retro, but alright, you guys know I love baskets. They've got a lot of good ones, some really cute ones. This one I'll show you is $5.99, and I love the big rectangle shape of it, and it's super cool that it has these little leather ties. I don't know, just kind of primitive and unique. Not this one in here, but this would be really great for toy storage, blanket storage. And then I also like this one, which is $6.99, just because it's a really pretty weave. This would be great out on a table for summer dining. You know, fill it like a tray with your toiletries. Oh my gosh, your silverware. And napkins and various things like that. And then this is fun. Look at this. This is a Lazy Susan one. Super cool. Okay, I found this too. This is 49 cents. How cute are these to hang on like a guest room door and fill it with like wildflowers or any flowers? Put a little vase tucked in there. What a charming way to just greet your guests. I think that would be really cute. Alright, you guys might think this is funny, but I'm always looking for these, and they're kind of expensive to find in retail. It's a basket for your stairs. I don't know about you guys, but we have so much stuff that collects on our stairs, just from our kids, and so I'm always looking for these. And I never find them. So this is $6.99, so I am gonna grab this. This is gonna come home, it'll be sanitized and put to use. Alright, this is cute. This is $9.99. Obviously very cute for entertaining, outdoors. It's plastic, I think, not glass. But I also love the idea of filling this with liquid detergent for your laundry room and just having a prettier way to display your laundry soap than to have it out on the laundry, you know, dryer or anything, or pushed away in cabinets. Just a pretty way to display it. Okay, I found a couple more things. I found this cutting board for $3.99. I love the shape of it. It's sturdy. I'm gonna pick this up and I'm gonna do a little DIY project to try to antique it, bang it up, and I'll bring you along for that when I do it. But I also found which is a kind of galvanized pitcher for $5.99. Just a pretty white, but what a great shape to it, and that would be beautiful. Alright, the next thing I found is a pair of, I think they're like vintage ice chests. They're $12.99 each, but these would make really cool bedside tables. So there's two of them. I just think the hardware is super cool. I think if you sanded these down and kind of gave them a bleach treatment, or even if you painted them, since there's two of them especially, those could be really cool and inexpensive bedside tables. Okay, next I found 3 of these pots. I'm trying to find a price, but they're really pretty. I love the kind of fluted shape to them, and I could definitely use these in the garden. And I think I could just give them a little paint treatment to update them a little bit. And then here's another cute little one for $5.99. These look really fun with topiaries in them. I have a couple of those at home. They look a little different, but those are always fun. This piece is cool. It's a little much. It's basically 50 bucks, but it's got cool hardware on the side, and I like the wood. I definitely think if you are looking for a cool chest for a little less, that would be a cool one. Alright, I found a cool piece of furniture. It's a campaign chest for $24.99. Flip you around and show you. These are always so great painted because the hardware is just gorgeous on them. So here it is. I love the brass elements. I've painted these before and they always look stunning, especially if you do something dark like a dark navy or a black. So that could be a really fun piece for $24.99. You could bring that back to life. Okay, I just found this little hamper, and it's $9.99, but I have seen really cool tutorials, which I might do with this, where they kind of take black paint and do a little stencil number on here, make it look a little older, antique. I don't love the feet on it. I might take those off, but so you can use it as a laundry hamper. I've also seen it where people will put their trash can inside as a prettier way to hide it. Because the weave on it is so pretty. Okay, I found a really pretty coffee table that is, I'm not sure. I think there's a sticker over here that might go to it. Hold on. Possibly $19.99. But let me flip you around and show you what I like. So here it is. It's kind of a low-lying coffee table, which I actually love that. It's a really comfortable height, but this is a drop leaf, so it's kind of cool. You can make it bigger. It opens up, it has a pretty scallop on the edge. But I think if you were to sand and strip this down, maybe bleach it out, it would be so pretty. I look for these kind of little knots in the wood. Texture to the wood that I think would finish up really beautifully. Okay, and then for $6.99 I also found this big vase. It's super heavy and it's kind of that mudded look that's kind of really in right now that people are trying to mimic. So that could be a fun just kind of piece if you had a big console table to stick on there for some visual interest and to use as a vase. Okay, I found this children's little bookcase and shelf. It's $9.99. You gotta have a little vision on this one, but if you painted this and added some new hardware, maybe knocked off the scallop, unless that's your thing, and replace that, this could be really charming in a little kid's bedroom. I also think you can make this into a fun little kitchen set, and I'll see if I can find some inspiration. All right, guys, there you have it. Thrift with me Thursday. I don't know that I'm going to go every week, but I'll go as I can and as it feels safe. I should have known that I would not be able to restrain myself from actually getting things. I did not end up getting the stair basket though. I just felt like the quality wasn't really there. So I'm going to still hold on for one that I like. You know, I see them at, I think, like Ballards, you know, but they're usually a bit, but I don't have to have a stair basket. They can pile on the stairs for now. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. And pretty pleased with what I got. Got some fun projects to work on. All right, guys, I thought I'd show you everything I did end up getting. I ended up getting the 3 of these pretty planters. I loved the shape. They were $2.99 each. I ended up getting this breadboard, and that was $3.99. I ended up getting the brass ducks. They were $9.99, but I just love these little guys. I didn't show you guys this. I got this little trivet for pots. I just really loved the brass color and the aging on it. That was 99 cents. I got this tureen, which was I think $8.99. And then I got this basket, this hamper, which I'm gonna do a little project on.